funny, yo. Who you love never love you in return. It's funny, yo. Who you trust of them first one, this you dare. It's funny, yo. Same people you stand for. Stand aside and watch you get conquered. It's funny, yo. Oh. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S coming here with another reaction. It's funny, yo. Who you love and them first one, this you dare. It's funny, yo. Hey, what going on? What I did? Merry Christmas to everyone out there. You don't know the thing, go. Hope everybody had a nice day, you know, with them family, you know. Spend Christmas with them family. If you're in the next side of the country, the next side of the world, and it's still happen, big up on yourself, enjoy the family time, you know. It's time for giving, you know, and receiving. So, big up on yourself, big up all the people them who can't afford to give anybody nothing. You know, so you don't have love now. Same way. So today, guys, we are here with Central C, Daily Duppy. You know, so we have to go jump into the one, right? Let's go, man. Let's go. It's funny, yo. Who you love never love you in return. Funny, yo. Who you trust of them first one, this you dirt. Funny, yo. The same people you stand for. Stand aside and watch you get conquered. Funny, yo. Reds. Let's go, man. Let's go, man.
You are now listening to 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Strip
it back. Look, my flow's unmatched. I talk to myself on my own, I'm tapped. Columbus, the way I took over the map. Composure, women lose that around, man. My accountants, monthly fees are grand. They don't wanna see me and YBs expand. I got a strategic plan. I'm a big man now, I gotta feed the fam. Serious now, it's not a joke. Live yours, not gang, it's more like a coke. Big boy range is bold, not bulk. YG wagging that rap.
Oh, fuck. Chill out. Hold on, man. Let's go again, with G.
Look, my flow's unmatched. I talk to myself on my own, I'm tapped. Columbus, the way I took over the map. Composure, women lose that around, man.
Columbus, the way I took over the map. Them said Christopher Columbus discover your bomber clad. People was there already. Christopher Columbus. Nyam shit I'm good and dead. But you discover nothing. Move your bomber clad, Christopher Columbus. You're a pirate. Move your bomber clad. Anyway, let's go.
Myself on my own, I'm tapped. Columbus, the way I took over the map. Composure, women lose that around, man. My accountants, monthly fees are grand. They don't wanna see me and YBs expand. I got a strategic plan. I'm a big man now, I gotta feed the fam. Serious now, it's not a joke. Live yours, not gang, it's more like a coke. Big boy range is vogue, not bulk. YG wagging that ride like a poke. Girls stressed that they can't cope. Big boy range is vogue, not bulk. YG wagging that ride like a poke. Girls stressed that they can't get a hold of me no more. GRM nomination, I got 4 award 10.
Big up yourself, Central. You do it. They get the awards, MG. You accolades them. You know you're a very important person in the music industry. It's only right for you to get your awards, them, right? Let's go.
Point lead, my team got a scoreboard. Century a warlord, only one more core. I don't know many that done it like man. MDMA, same color as man. Bare blue ticks on my DM request. Got bare bad bees that ain't holler back.
Man, say my bare blue tick in them DM request. So people who verified, I message him. Him not reach out to them, I message him. In I'm request. He never accept them yet. Whoa.
Century a warlord, only one more core. I don't know many that done it like man. MDMA, same color as man. Bare blue ticks on my DM request. Got bare bad bees that ain't holler back. I fuck famous things that wanked over. I bust that none to existence.
You fuck famous things. Bad B. Me see a message the man. Message me too. Maybe reply.
I ain't holler back. I fuck famous things that wanked over. I bust that none to existence. If I get a feeling that you're fugazi, I'm trusting my gut and my instinct. True colour show when they see a man blow, they switch. What the fuck was I thinking?
True. That always happen. Close your step. That is why me say, it's funny, yo. Who you love never love you in return. It's funny, yo. Who you trust of them same one, this you dirt. Funny, yo. The same people you stand for. Stand aside and watch you get conquered, funny, yo. Them one day. You know them one day? When you're up, you see true colors of people. Them know why you reach certain level. Them why you stay up on the same level as them. No, I am elevating myself, man. Don't hate, man. Just appreciate, man. Come on, dog.
I got my instinct. True colour show when they see a man blow, they switch. What the fuck was I thinking?
Sure.
For the love of my siblings, man, I gotta double my income, better yet triple it. Wobble
Sure.
it, wiggle it, swallowing, dribbling, jobless, IG modelling. I saw you commenting, squabbling. I don't do politics. I heard
Which can list?
following, dribbling, jobless, IG modelling. I saw you comment.
Wait, man. Hey, yo, looking pink today. Well, I can't see comment. Oh, fuck, I can't see comment. What are you, man? Yes, man. Yes, man, today. Hey, you look. Yes, man, them catch up. Alright.
And squabbling, I don't do politics. I heard your tape, it don't sound too promising. Need me a crib.
Shots. Need water. You fire a shot at somebody. You just fire a shot at somebody. I hear your tape, it don't sound too promising. Which rapper I'm attack? Guys, put that in the comment section. Which rapper I'm attack?
I saw you commenting, squabbling. I don't do politics. I heard your tape, it don't sound too promising. Need me a crib, same road as Abramovich. Undies right on my arse, I ain't panicking. Stand up tall for my rights, I'm an activist. Pain game come like 4-5 caliber. Stress, I'll manage it. Strong mentality. Almost fell off and lost my sanity. Course, I'm planning it. Causing an anarchy. Psycho hanging him, put him in a gallery. I got label execs trying to sway me. I'm trying to fuck on the A&R lady.
Yeah, straight. Fuck them. Fuck them and duck them. Long time label exec I try to sway him. He might do things. He might do a lot of things. So these people are going to be at him. I try, you know? Stand your ground, my bro. Stand your ground. Don't stand a funny deal, my G. You see me? Yeah, my fam. Do it.
M's on the paper, I can't persuade me. I got a blueprint similar to Jay-Z. I'm matching the car with a rollie. I got the same pattern as Pastor Toby. R.I.P. Marcus Garvey, the Babylon can't control me, nah.
Buckland. I'm the only UK rapper me ever hear big up Marcus Garvey to Buckland. If you don't know Marcus Garvey, you don't do the research for Marcus. If you don't know Marcus, you don't do on the research for Marcus. Marcus is the founder of Rastafarian. And he's not a Rasta man. Marcus Mosiah Garvey. Doing the research. Central C. Big up for that one, them G. Big up for that one, them fam. Send them in some history school. Some history lessons. Some history class. Pick up some history book. Do some history research. Marcus Garvey. Them not talk about them people that.
I got label execs trying to sway me. I'm trying to fuck on the A&R lady. M's on the paper, I can't persuade me. I got a blueprint similar to Jay-Z. I'm matching the car with a rollie. I got the same pattern as Pastor Toby. R.I.P. Marcus Garvey, the Babylon can't control me, nah. Remaining calm through the madness. Flex and a man get jacked, no practice. Mixtape drop, but it's more like a chapter. My shooter in a 6 is sort of like a raptor. Woo! I don't know why you thought that you could hack this. Send a man up to the north for the Atlas. I was manifesting a kilo, I'm breaking the law with the law of attraction.
Bad. Big up the editors them too. Big up the editors them. I do a great job, dog. Big up on yourself, dog. Big up on yourself.
And this be from cash, not from YouTube.
These rappers never been paid, they get a little famous, spend all their bands. They spend the whole fucking advance, these rubbed out stars keep fucking their fans. It's a bit different.
Editor, me just big on up. Pour natural little bow out there, sir. Me just big on up a while ago, editors. Why are you putting little bow up on the screen now? And this is because this is little bow out the bomb class. I see nothing, I hear nothing.
Spend all their bands. They spend the whole fucking advance. These rubbed out stars keep fucking their fans. It's a bit different for me. If I had it my way, my bae wouldn't know me. But no matter what country I'm in, the females there all know who I am. My gang's not a play thing, it's a serious type of organization. We need a type of wealth that'll stay in the world for a few generations. They're doing whatever just to go viral.
Yo, big plans, Central, Bumbleclad. You not think about yourself, you think about generations to forward. Wealth. Not riches enough, wealth. Me like that, my G.
And the females there all know who I am.
Yeah.
My gang's not a play thing, it's a serious type of organization.
Yeah.
We need a type of wealth that'll stay in the world for a few generations.
Definitely.
They're doing whatever just to go viral, some internet sensation rapper.
Some of them will do anything just to get a couple likes. Some of them will do anything just to get like a Bumbleclad notification and I go viral. And I lose it, man. And I lose it. And I'm losing it. That is no problem. I don't do anything for post. I don't post any fucking just to go viral. Brother, that not pay you, dog. That not pay you, my G. You get caught up in the system, bro. Calm the fuck down.
Big men on the net just bitching, I swear that they're aging backwards. I just got the pendant sensation rappers. Big men on the net just bitching, I swear that they're aging backwards. I just got the pendant full of baguettes. I feel like Frank when he put on the mink. They're plotting, I'm not surprised. I've been broke too, I know how they think. You inherited dough, we inherited debt, so I gotta catch up, I'm behind on the rent.
You inheriting dough, me inherited debt, so I have to catch up. Rent over Judah, I have to catch up.
Well, you know about taking risk, and my last 5 bags and declined the M. A lot of man came and went, I might do the same, get out. You know about taking risk, and my last 5 bags and declined the M. A lot of man came and went, I might do the same, get out of it sooner. Fake my death like Tupac, move out the fam to a crib in Cuba.
Oh, oh shit. Boss, might fake him dead like Tupac. So, Central, what you try to say? Tupac not dead. Tupac fake him dead, G. I would love to think so. I don't know. Man, anything possible right now, dog.
I might do the same, get out of it sooner. Fake my death like Tupac, move out the fam to a crib in Cuba. They wanna see a man go out like Biggie, but I ain't ready to die. They're saying that time is money, I got some money, ain't got any time. Don't be a fucking fool and put your family's life in jeopardy. They ain't making it out of the hood, it ain't hard to find my enemies.
But just realize, him have him chain pan the mic. Me just realize that. Yo.
Gotta watch what I say these days, it's long now, I'm a celebrity. I don't wanna chit chat, if it ain't about money, please don't message me. My thing clear, look in my rear and I don't see a single soul. Should've seen what we did with Snow, had London like we was in North Pole.
Look in my review mirror, him not see a single soul. Watch it now, no? Him not mean him the last place, you know? No, him mean him the far ahead of the competition. He's farther ahead. He's further ahead. You know when you look, you don't see nobody around you? It's not because you're at last place. No, it's because you're further ahead. Lord have mercy.
In my rear and I don't see a single soul.
Nobody.
Should've seen what we did with Snow, had London like we was in North Pole. Done with these Insta hoes, trying to get the kid exposed. Didn't wanna link me though, and the bag weren't there and the whip was old. Cinch, I got a distinctive flow.
Yeah, I groupie them. Them only one link the man when time him famous now. You never want link the man when time no money. And him care, never so hot. And him have your tech bus and tech chain. You never want link the man then. You want link the man now. You know, man.
Tour life out of the country, truth be told, I ain't missing home. Told the kids to stay in school, they ain't hearing that they just hit the roads. Paving the way for the man, then I come back down to uplift my bros. Before I leave my guys, I'll slit my throat. No, can't mix pleasure with business.
Before I leave my guys, I'll slit my throat. We commit suicide and pledge that. And pledge that to him guys. Then that's tough. That's shit. That tough, brother. Whoo!
But this A&R ladies fire. Got guys, I'll slit my throat. No, can't mix pleasure with business, but this A&R ladies fire.
Back on the A&R lady again, and back on her again. This is becoming like somebody real way. You see when more fucking up. This is making because the second time he mentioned her.
Gotta keep this one quiet, gotta deny it, she might get fired. As long as your pussy's tight, I don't care who you fucked on prior. Chasing bags, not bitches, which is the reason that my eyes look tired.
Big man thing. You have some of them boy here where love ask the girl them which rapper and which rapper them fuck. As a rapper, the man them attack. Love ask the girl which man and which man you fuck. Brother, that not matter, dog. What you want to take back your fuck? The next rapper gear, you can't take it back. If you fuck, just fuck and stop bumbuckle and catch feelings. A pussy you there for. One to you. What your problem, dog? Don't worry about that. Not call the next man name. Just go and go the way you do, my G, and cut. Just like the next man did. Money over bitches. Let's go.
We get paid to go to the club, the fuck? You think that we're there for fun? You know they are in for some serious head when she puts her hair in a bun. Can't look at...
Achoo. When you put her head in a bunch, you mean business, dog. Like professional. Not pronoun, no professional.
Think that we're there for fun? You know they are in for some serious head when she puts her hair in a bun. Can't look at them and the same, I've seen them lie and swear on their mums. Go to the hood and show some love, just spend 3K on Air Force Ones. Me and...
For know you're telling a blatant lie. I ask you for your mother life, brother. You know, say, You know, say you're wicked, you know. You're a wicked hombre, you're a wicked youth, you're a wicked motherfucker, you know. If you know, say you tell lie and you straight for your mother life, you know, brother. Something wrong with you, man. You.
Them lie and swear on their mums. Go to the hood and show some love. Just spend 3K on Air Force Ones. Me and Wads was sharing clothes. New J's just dropped. Got 2 pairs each. 2-bed flat and it's just for me. Got a room for bro whenever he needs. What do you mean breathe? Breathe. Don't tell me to breathe. Baby yourself with me. What do you mean it's only me? Don't sell me a dream.
Yeah, just like that. Don't sell me a dream. Yo, big up Central, you know. Yo, big up Central. Sorry about the become the part of yellow. The part where you see black now is turning yellow. That's why it's like that. Guys, I enjoy that one I say. I'm not telling the lie. Big up Central C. Take out my headphone. Big up Central C. I enjoy that one. No joke. I just see start some facts in this, bro. I like it. Yo, I enjoy Daily Duppy still, you know. Big up the editors them. Big up GRM Daily. Central C. Once again, big up yourself. Big up the beat maker. You see me? Big up the whole production team behind that one. Guys, if you enjoy the one and you want to see more, I ain't not subscribed yet. Hit the subscribe button. It's free, dog. It's free. It's not costing nothing. It helped me, dog. Hit the like button also. It helped me, bro. It helped me. But if you don't want to do that, I understand. Maybe it's not your thing. It's all good. But big up on yourself, same way. Respect. Next year forward, we are go harder and harder and harder. Next year forward, we want to get say. So next year we want to get what? 30K. That possible, right? 30K. Next year, by 2022 finish, we want that over 30K. One thing, we can do it, right? Yes, man, we can do it, man. Let's go anyway. I'll see you guys in the next one, alright? Peace.